did a little junkyard run. Managed to score a few things. So got the engine cover that was missing. We got a decent fender. Gotta get rid of that AutoZone special there. We got the lower radiator piece. Got the upper bumper mount part. The top plate. We got the lower side braces for the bumper. Got a new hood hinge. New wheel liner. Overhead console, a cat, and this was probably the score of the day for us here. Denali center console. We're gonna clean it up and go ahead and dye it black to match the interior. I got a new console lid we're gonna order and the cup holder parts that were missing, but not too bad. All this stuff right here is about 250 bucks. So let's get after it. These junkyard parts, a little cleaning with our special solution there. A couple 100,000 miles worth of nastiness off of them before I put them on. See how they look after we pressure wash. So we plan to get a new hood at some point, but I really want to try to find one that's already white. That way it somewhat matches instead of having to repaint something. So for the moment, so we can at least start mounting new parts, I'm going to try to straighten out what I can just so I don't mess up the new stuff. Just for the time being, I don't want to have to pull the hood off and worry about rain getting in the engine bay and stuff. So see if we can knock some of this out. So before we start bolting any new stuff on, let's go ahead and address this guy. This has nothing to do with the actual bumper mounting of this. This is from the push bar from the police. Used to slide into this area and bolt in whenever it got in a wreck. That's what pushed that back. The actual horn itself is fine. It's straight, level with the other one, so it should bolt right in, no problem. But we'll make it look a little bit better. Give it a little bit of heat, and then, you know, my budget mini sledge here since I can't seem to find my hammer, and see what we can do with it. perfect by any means, but like I said, it has nothing to do with the actual bumper mounting or the crash bar. So we got it straightened out, fairly close to the factory. So probably hit either the wire wheel real quick, throw some paint on them, make them look a little better while we're already here. Alright, I think we're going to call that good there. Looks pretty good to me. Again, really nothing structural. I don't see it causing any issue in the future with anything. We're keeping this vehicle anyway, so it's on me. Again, this is the part that the actual collision bar goes into. She's plenty good up top, no cracks anywhere near it, so call that a good one.